Welcome to CHM. Okay, now I'm introducing you to CHM-SGT 1400H automatic slitter, automatic delivery slitter. Okay, come, let us show the machine from the beginning. Hi, Mr. Wang. Hello. This is our feeder section. Okay, we can load 2 reels at a time. We have a solid cast iron beams for that. Okay, with the chuck you can load more than 1500 kg per side. So at a time you can convert minimum of 3 tons paper in one shot. Okay, then come to the feeder delivery curling system. The paper make the edges sharpen and smooth for feeding. So this is the dual rotary die cutter. You can see the dual rotary knife here, how the drum is set. When you are coming to the slitting knife unit, you have 3 slitting knives. Okay, and it can be adjusted by itself automatically with the servo driven. Only our machine have the servo driven slitter unit. After this dual rotary cutting, the paper will transfer to the transport section. It will transfer to the delivery area. The delivery area, you can have a inserter tape for 100 sheets or 50 sheets. You can make the inserting also from here. This is the tap inserter. From here, it will go to the delivery area. Delivery area, we can have automatic delivery system. If the pallet is fully loaded, it will change automatically. You can set and everything. I'll show you the delivery. This is our newly introduced auto delivery system. This system will work according to your set size from the monitor. This will come pallets automatically do the delivery like this. Okay, now we will go to the panel board. I will show you the servo system. How many servos we have? You can see the machines like this. Okay. Now we can see the panel. Okay, with the servos. I will show you how we have to. The machine is designed. This is the main servo. Which one is for synchro cutter knife? The other one is for traction roller. The other one is for high speed conveyor unit. These the big servos. These 3 small servos is mainly used for our slitter machine, slitter unit adjustment, self adjustment. Each and every servo will work for one individual knife. I will show you that knife adjustment so you will understand easily. Come here. You can see these 3 knives. Okay, these 3 knives can easily operated, easily adjusted by individually by that servo. This is the advantage of this machine. Thank you.